Hi, I'm going to show you how to get going using Fluidinfo and how to set yourself a password so that you can start to use our extension as well. First of all, go to fluidinfo.com and you'll see a screen that looks like what I have up right now. And go to the top right hand corner, and I'm assuming that you're using Twitter. Click on sign in with Twitter and you'll be taken to the Twitter page. Authorize the application. Notice that we don't want any permissions, just to read your tweets. We don't want to be able to write. That takes me back into Fluidinfo, and you can see that I'm looking at the page for @Terry in Fluidinfo. That's my username in Twitter. It's also just become my username in Fluidinfo, or it would have if I'd never used Fluidinfo before. So at this point, I have a Fluidinfo account. I can do all sorts of things that I'm not going to get into. I'll just show you how to set your password really quickly. Just go over on the left-hand side to your account. You'll see a link there that says set or reset your Fluidinfo password. Click it. There's a short and easy page. Just type a password in there. It doesn't matter what it is, of course. You don't have to fill in the other fields. And click on submit, and your password will be set. Okay, next trick. Now that you've got a username, which is your Twitter username, and you have a password set, what you want to do is go and grab the Fluidinfo extension, which is going to change the way that you work with information on the web. There's a couple of ways to do that. One that's very easy, of course, is to go to bit.ly, and you can say bit.ly/fi-chrome. This is a Chrome extension. That will take you to the place in the Chrome store where you can install the extension. Another way that you can do it is if you look inside Fluidinfo at the object or at the page for Fluidinfo, then you'll see some information about Fluidinfo, not surprisingly. One of the things you'll see is tips, and in the tips section there is a link to the Chrome extension. So let's go there now and we'll install it. Up it comes. You click on Add to Chrome. It says it wants to access your data on websites and your browsing activity. Click on Install. And Fluidinfo is now installed. So the first thing to do, having done that, is to go and log in. If you right-click on the icon for the extension and go to the Options page, there you can read about what the extension does for you. Click on Login, and down here you can type your username and you can type your password. And if you get it right, it'll tell you that you're good to go, and you can go back to wandering around on the web and doing the things that you normally do, and the Fluidinfo extension is ready to do stuff for you. I won't go into the details of what those kinds of things are because there's too many of them and they're extremely cool, but I'm going to do that in a follow-up video. So for now, just see if you can get going, get a password, get the extension installed, and then come back and look for the next video. Thanks a lot.